From the United States, the U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance has said that Washington hoped that Pakistan would cooperate with India to hunt down Pakistan-based militants. This is extremely crucial. He says Pakistan-based militants, and that India's response to the recent Islamist militant attack in India-administered Kashmir does not lead to a broader regional conflict. Senior consulting editor Srinjoy Chaudhary is also on the broadcast with us. Srinjoy, the statement from the U.S. Vice President is crucial because of the words that he has used, including naming and shaming Pakistan, as he says that these are Pakistan-based militants. This comes at a time when Pakistan has been trying to play victim and has said that it has no involvement in this.
First of all, J.D. Vance was here in India. So he had a meeting with Prime Minister Modi. He has a complete understanding of the situation vis-a-vis terrorism. So he knows that these terrorists came from Pakistan and they attacked Indians, innocent civilians, killed 28 of them, which is why he's making it very clear that Pakistan has to, first of all, help India to find these terrorists, 4 of them, and take action against them. That's really the first objective of that Pakistan should have, which is finding the terrorists responsible and punishing them. Also, ensuring that all those responsible for this, who have planned it and executed it, all of them should be suitably punished. That's really the bottom line, and that's what J.D. Vance, the Vice President of America, recently in India has said, and quite rightly too, because he understands the situation, he's been briefed about the situation, and he knows that Pakistan is culpable.
Okay, all right. In fact, let's also talk about the moves that India has taken. India's move to suspend Indus Water Treaty in abeyance, put it in abeyance, is beginning to hurt Pakistan. So let's